Now let us discuss about eighth question. A horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square-shaped grass field of side 15 meter by means of a 5 meter long rope. Look at this figure. Find the area of that part of the field in which the horse can graze. Okay. The increase Second question, the increase in the grazing area of the rope were 10 meter long instead of 5 meter. Okay, let us see. Very simple this question. See here, from the figure it can be observed that the horse can graze a sector of angle 90 degree. It is a square shaped, they have told. It's nothing but this is 90 degree. Okay, in a circle of how much meter? 5 meter. See this rope maximum how much meter is there? Feed of side 15 meter they have given here. Each side is 15 meter of a square. Okay, next this is a 5 meter it will graze. See here, O to A 5 meter means it will be from A to B, maximum 5 meter only it can graze, right? So we need to find out now the area, that part of the field in which the horse can graze, which is equal to, that is area of a sector OA. I will mark a point here C, OACB. Okay, OACB is an sector. Solution we have. Solution given it can be observed that given figure it can be observed that, just what I told, the horse can graze a sector, the horse can graze a sector of angle 90 degree, sector of angle 90 degree in a circle of 5 meter radius. 5 meter radius. Okay, let us see now. Here they have given angle and radius. Okay, area that can be grazed by horse, area that can be grazed by horse, which is equal to area of a sector OACB. Okay, we know formula, theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Okay, let us see. What is the angle? Theta is equal to 90 degree divided by 360 degree, which is equal to, into pi value is 22 by 7 into radius is equal to how much centimeter? 5. How much meter? 5 meter. Okay, 0 0 will get cancelled. 9 1s are 9 4s are. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 2 11s are, which is equal to how much? 11 5s are 55. 55 divided by 2. Okay, here. Okay, let us see now. 55 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, remaining 15 here. Okay, 2 2s are 4, remaining 15. Therefore Dear students, here pi r square, this is pi value into, and radius is r square, means this is 5 square. Okay, 5 square is equal to actually 25, that is it 25. This is 55 I have written, I will write. Okay, 11 5s are 55 into 5 I will write. Okay, or into 5 is equal to this one, no need to cancel, it is no need to cancel, 55, right, as it is 55 into 5, 5 5s are 25. Okay, this one not looking good. Okay, let it be, I will do down here, is equal to 11 into 25 divided by 7, is it 7 2s are 14, 7 2s are 14 into 7 is equal to 11 into 25, 11 5s are 55, 11 2s are 22 plus 5 27, 275 divided by 14 is equal to, okay, 275 divided by 14, which is equal to 19.64 square centimeter. Okay, next, okay, see here, next, okay, see here, now second one, the increase in the grazing area of the rope were 10 meter long instead of 5 meters. So simple, we have to take the radius is 10 meter, that's it. Okay, this is you do, this is 19.64 meter, not centimeter. Okay, they are given meter. Okay, let's see now second one. Area that can be grazed by the horse when length of the rope is how much meter? 10 meter. Okay, area that can be grazed by the horse when length of rope is 10 meter long. Okay, so what is the formula? That is only we have to apply theta divided by 360 degree into pi r square. So here theta is equal to, now we have to take the same 90 degree only. Okay, 90 degree divided by 360 degree into, they have given here pi value. Actually in first step I have not taken, I have taken here 22 by 7. Okay, they have given pi value 3.14. okay, 3.14 into, I will write here, use pi is equal to 3.14. okay, 90 divided by 360 into 3.14 into r square. Radius is equal to how much now? Rope is 10 meter long, they have told, is it? This is only radius now. R is equal to 10 meter. 10 into 10, which is equal to, here 0 0 will get cancelled, 9 1s are 9, 9 4s are 36. Okay, next 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 5 5s are 25. 3.14 into 5 5s are 25. We have to calculate this. Okay, 3.14 into 25 we have to do. Okay, I will do in calculation. Okay, maybe we will get here 78 point square meter. Okay, 78.5 square meter. Okay, I will show you 3.14 into 25, 78.5. okay, now let's see. increase in grazing area. Increase in grazing area, how much now? We have to subtract, is it? Therefore that is here 19.64 square meter and here 78.5 square meter. Okay, let us see now. Increase in grazing area, increase in, therefore increase in grazing area is equal to, okay, 78.5 minus 19.64 square meter. Let us see now how much we will get. Okay, 78.5 minus 19.64. Okay, 58.86. Okay, 58.86 square meter. Okay, this is right answer.